38.50, highest point, negative 23 below, should hit that. Relatively comfortable. Time's our next news event. Half an hour into the open. Okay. I'm looking at that. I just expected the London to just come a bit shorter than this, either go up and take that 78 and then come shorter. See, we've just gone that high to high, we've hit that 38 high to high, and we've just pushed that into a micro 78 short. So if we do continue, because I wanted it to come deeper anyway, then I've got no reason why I can't trade into, you see there, the high to high 50. But I'm shorting into the high to high 50. It'll probably run the negative 23. It might not. My trend's long, so I don't want to start trading through long values, especially when we're so close to 78, that higher time frame 78 short there, and we haven't quite hit it. We don't have to. There is also more gap in there. There's room, but I want that, so I'll wait to trade that. Let's see how this. Okay. What time are we on? Just going to get the live stream going for the guys. Now I'm not sure. I'm not sure if Loom has automatically connected here. I don't know. I know the Discord is connected to these, but I'm not sure if Loom has. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Fantastic, because I am live. I don't know. I'd hope either way on Loom if it's picking up the audio. I just don't know how to test it. That's clear. Just looking at the 30-minute chart. Long trend. So I don't need to start drawing full fibs here. I just draw my high to high there. So your high to high, if we keep these levels and keep these levels valid in this high to high fib, and the 78 short fails, we run the negative 23 there. That's why I've got that line there. Okay, cool. Yeah, the loon. So what I don't want to happen here is obviously this 38 to hold, because then we're looking at it twofold, right? We're looking at it twofold. We need to break the 38. 38 doesn't hold. So on a long level, because we have our high to high point, sure, you've got a micro in there. Well, let's zoom out. We've got a high to high point. It'll be that 50, right? 795s. And on our short side, it's 782s. So if we break that 38, we are at a minimum going to run 795s. Or the 38 holds and it goes on. But I'm on a high to high. I'm on a high to high 38. Do I think the high to high 38 is going to hold? Nope. No, I do not. We're about to make some money. But then actually target the 78. How long have we got? 30 seconds. So I'm just, I'm in the weeds a bit here, and we're going to open in 20 seconds now. And if it just pops straight to this target, then I'm just going to leave it because I want to see the price action that I want to see. If it just goes there, it can just go there. It's quite volatile, the open, obviously, so I'm not going to be too concerned if I miss it. If I miss it, I'm just going to wait to see what level it shorts to, look for the pivot, and then play the long. So it might just go through here and just literally pop. So if we get down here, it could just go through, but I want it to jump off. If I take just 3 on it, I might take just 3 on it. Just like as a bit of a small trade. How much would I be risking? 20s to 80s on 3. 60, 120. Yeah, I'm not too concerned about that. It's below that 38, and we're now double bottoming. So if we can come up a little bit, I want to come up a little bit. I'm going to enter a little one there, but obviously you wait until it goes back, right? If you can wait until it goes back to that level, because we want it to come up like that, we want it to come back up, that's fine. And then when it goes down and through, if we go down and through, that will be your point to enter, and then we've got another high to put your stop at. If it goes up here and it takes me out, I'm saying it's probably just more of a technical reaction. So we're just looking for that follow through the bottom, and then you can enter. Slow learning, that is. Expect it to touch viewer, at least. Never know what peer you're going to get at the Open. Going to take me out for the first one. Let's load there because it's not going to make much difference in case it tanks. So for me, we're at the 50, or we're at the 62, or we're at the 78. or we're through to that through high, whatever. I'm just going to let this settle down. I don't know if that's lumpy. Yeah, any of you guys catch that one? Jamie, Pete, you get that one? Ten contracts. Jeez. Again, I don't want tens. Yeah, it's scary. Because that's one of them scenarios where you can be right, you can be absolutely spot on. You know where let's say you know where it's going. It's okay. It's going here. It's going this level. But you enter too big, the market pops away from you, even though you know it's coming back. It pops away from you, and you're out. Horrible. Oh right, sweet, sweet. Green screen. Nothing to do or chase here. Probably want to give it, let's say half an hour. And the reason why I say half an hour, it puts us in to the next. It puts us into the next hour. It gets us past the next news event. It gives the market enough time to give us some structure long. So no matter where it hits for the pivot and it pops long, we're not bothered. As long as it then comes down, let's say it comes down to this 78, it then comes down, it does its usual fib, and we've pushed through to a negative 23 and coincide that with, let's say, a VWAP. What do we know by laws of statistics? It's probably going to keep shorting for the next 15 minutes anyway and base that up. So half an hour's time. I'm not expecting to do anything for 30 minutes. Look at that reaction off that blue line I drew. Absolutely flown. It's gone so hard. I do not know if we're going to get the setup into this. We'll have to wait and see. Good way of taking a blind one off that. That's insane. 100 points. Crazy. Crazy. Ain't stopping. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Get me out of that. Get me out of that. That was an accident. Thank you. Jesus Christ. Let's have this hit VWAP. Come down. Go up. Yada, yada, yada. Usual stuff. I said on the trade plan I wanted the short. Kind of wanted it through London. It came in the New York. So I'm not surprised it's quite volatile in its way moving up off that low. But it's just a waiting game. We've just got to wait. It's probably going to go up to there, but I'll have to keep reassessing this top if it keeps beating the top, just to keep drawing it. Let's try and get the pullback. We've got news in 5 minutes. There's VWAP.